You're welcome to Mireju Gardens. This is my garden, and my name is Mary. Thank you for joining me in today's harvest of African spinach or tete, as we call it in Nigeria. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. Like the video and share with friends. Thank you.
Today is
4th of April. Check out the growth from the last video.
I wanted to show you how much taller they've grown, and the leaves are very large. So I'll be harvesting the big ones today. So the method of harvest could involve you uprooting if it's too big, or just cut it. And this particular one is super big. Just want to measure the height just to show you. It was the biggest of them from the initial start. So it's more than 2 feet long. 2 feet long, and the stem is quite big. So I'm going to be harvesting it today by uprooting, and then I'll show you the other one.
By cutting. See how thick the stem is.
But the interesting part is because it's still a young plant, the stems are very soft and could be eaten. When you cook it, it's easy to cook. So I can just cut off from here, my knife. Just cut off from here. I can see how easy it is to cut. So I'll just harvest this one that way. So I'm going to replace it with a seedling. For the others, I'll be cutting just a few more.
When cutting, make sure to leave some leaves at the base of where you want to cut so that the plants can continue to photosynthesize and create more stems.
And cut. Alright. So that it starts growing another shoot from that end. So this one is I cut from there. Then this is another big one. They're all very big, so just cut and cut. See that it's clearing much now. So I don't need too many. This is quite enough for what I want to do today. So I don't want to cook and store. I just want us to eat and finish it up. So this is tete. Within a short period, you have your vegetable, and it's going to grow back. Those stems that were cut are going to grow back. I'll show you the updates when they grow back so that you can follow up on that. So tete is very easy to grow and easy to harvest.
African spinach or tete is a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and so many other goodies for the body. Some of the health benefits include improved digestion. It's a rich source of zinc. Zinc keeps the immune system strong, such that there is a quick recovery in cases of illness, injury, or surgery. It improves the eyesight, prevents ulcer, promotes healthy bones. Consuming African spinach or tete regularly is a game changer in your health journey. So this is why I love planting it myself so that I know it's an organic vegetable. If you like to learn about growing your own food and growing your own vegetables, whatever little space you may think you have, you can grow something. You want to stay subscribed to this channel because you'll be learning quite a lot of how to create that space within your compound, your balcony, so that you can grow your own food and save some costs. Be sure of exactly what you're consuming. If you're interested, you should click the subscribe button right away and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be posted about new content from here. Also, like the video and share with friends. I appreciate your support in growing this channel.
Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.